So this is a Citroen C4. I'm gonna show you how to disable the particle filter from the BSI. You go into this, it's in French. This is the car. Start up dialog box. Go into repair. Select the BSI, click OK. BSI is ready. Click OK again. So now I have to turn off the key, turn on the key again. Get these messages. Come in here and you go to repair. You go to télécodage, télécodage manuel. Vehicle configuration, motopropulseur, and then you scroll down to type of filter, particule. So this is the particle filter. It's set to absent, and when you do that you don't get the message for low FAP fluid anymore. So you click on that, click on that, you can click on it again, and this is the things you can choose from. Mine is set to absent. You click on this. And then it's done. Go back, leave. Go back. That's it. Now, when you start the car, you will not get the message anymore.